absolutely kills me is the kind like gochujang, the Korean, anything like it's usually Korean, and it's that like dark red chili powder. Oh, I'm dead. I die. I still eat it because it's good, but death. Exactly. Exactly, Van Galen. Fiery cheese. Well, that makes sense. Oh, Del Fuego? Or do you say it with an H in some language version? Yes, exactly, Stacy. And it makes my throat feel a little bit weird too. But it, like I said, it's far too delicious to not eat it. Plus, like it's fruit. I'm not gonna freaking avoid fruit unless I'm instructed to do so. I'm sure we've talked about this on stream before, but I at least have a skin allergy to lavender, which is so annoying because it's in every hippie product, and also it's delicious. Like, I love how lavender tastes, and I am a fool and will still sometimes eat or drink it, but it's not. That's one that I've been told I should not consume. Although that doctor retired, so maybe I should ask my new one and see if I get a different answer. Oh, no worries. No worries, Rob. It's spicy. Yeah, I don't blame you, Rob. Oh, yeah. So it's in like Herbes de Provence, which is a spice mix. You know, like from Provence. But it's like, I think it's rosemary and thyme and one other herb, and then lavender is usually in it. It's very delicious. And also, I love gin. So I feel like it's typical that a lot of so there's a gin drink called the Bee's Knees, and it's got honey and it's got gin, and a lot of times people will make it with lavender. Like, I love it. It tastes so good. Or like you can get Earl Grey tea with lavender. I love it. I love how it smells. I love how it tastes. But I mentioned it to my old primary care doctor. I know now, thinking about it, that I've said this on stream before, but I was like, I have like kind of a skin allergy to lavender, but it's probably okay to like eat and drink it, right? And she looked at me like this and said, I wouldn't. So I try to restrain myself, and really it's mostly like, I'm like, maybe I could have that, and Van Galen's like, have you lost your mind? That's how it goes basically every time. But it doesn't feel like, it doesn't feel like it's bothering me when I eat or drink it. When I get it on my skin, I know fast. Oh no, he said. Well, I'm glad it's done. Congrats on that. Thyme, basil, tarragon, savory. Yeah. Okay. Right. What a fortuitous time for our cooking friends to come back. Oh yeah, no,